Welcome to another episode of How To with the Hairgician. Today we'll be doing some hair painting. I totally forgot to press record for the lifting process of this video, so we'll have to do that with another guest. What I like to do is start off with the low lights, the colors that I'll be using the least of. That would allow me the opportunity to be able to work as freely as I would like to with the colors I'll be using the majority of. Don't forget to provide the guest with good laughter. It helps the color take faster. When removing your foils, do them one at a time and rinse with cool water until you see clear water. Continue to rinse with cool water for 1 minute. If you don't know what this is, do your research. Take your time during this process. Allow yourself time to be able to relax the guest as well as detangle the hair. Rinse, rinse, rinse. This guest wanted a textured look, so we started off with gel twist and followed up with a fade. We sat it under the dryer for about 20 to 30 minutes and released the curls. For this part, I like to use a pick. Make sure that you don't pull the pick all the way to the end. You just want the curls to stand up. You can use the aid of a hairspray and follow up with a shine spray at the end. And voila, you have a happy return guest. Thank you for stopping by for another episode of How To with the Hairgician. Be sure to book a look at www.thehairgician.com. Hope to see you soon.